Today's topic is very important. Okay. Before we are starting the important topic, and there is one more topic where I will cover, and then let's switch into the important topic. Okay. So why people are unable to join? Don't rely on the recording videos every time. Okay. Sometimes it can be fine, but try to join for live sessions. So the topic we are going to be cover. Okay. This is small topic. Okay. Delegate. So we will cover this topic. Okay. So there is one of the topic called delegate. What is delegate in general way? What is delegate, Mo?
Like easily break.
Okay,
Like
I'm
waited.
just something US delegate, right? UK delegates, something like that. The word you got here somewhere. But what is delegate? You just see. Delegates. Delegates is a person selected to represent a group of people in some political assembly of the United States. So if you take up US delegates, this is the statement of it. Delegate is a person. In this situation, delegate is a person selected to represent something, represent to a group. But in our service now, why delegate is came? Delegate means representing something. That's it. But what and why this picture, this particular topic is came in service now? Can you guess someone? Delegates. Delegate. Most of the times you guys will be here. Every group, okay, in till now, whatever we had discussed, okay, in every group, okay, there is a manager or not in every group. Wherever we had seen customer support related, okay, or somewhere in support team, for every team, there is a manager or not,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
right? There was a manager, okay. See here, I will go to one of the group. So which group I can take it from here? When I search with group, I had seen many groups. Which group I need to go? Can you tell me?
We delegate role
Under,
group
yeah,
other
under,
group
under group, user administration, then go to the groups. Okay.
group.
See, there are almost these many groups. There are these many groups. Almost 50 groups. In every group, if I take up software, software is also one of the group. Okay. Inside the software, there are group members. 6 people are the group members. Okay. And every group can be consisting the manager. Remember, every group. For example, it is not attached. I am attaching someone as a group manager. So in our example, these are all the group members. This is the group. What is the group name of it? Group name is software. Correct? Group manager is this guy. This guy. Correct or not? So whenever these guys are needed something, okay, there are 6 people whom they will approach. Whatever it is needed, something it is needed. Then who is the responsible for this group? Either it is good, either it is bad, or any communication related things. This guy
That means
is the
group manager.
group manager is the person who is responsible for all these people, correct? Right. So let's say this guy, okay, This guy is on leave. This guy is on leave. Abil tutor. Who is Abil tutor now in our example? Who is Abil tutor? No? Manager of
Manager.
software. Manager of software. Right? So this guy is manager of software group. Okay. This guy is on leave. Okay. This guy is on leave for at least a week, 7 days. He is on some vacation, and since he is not available. Okay. Then these people need something. Then who will be the responsible person for these people? Let's say I am the David Lu. I need something. Then I need some approval from my manager, Abil Tutor. But Abil Tutor is on a leave, 7 days. Then automatically, okay, the service now itself is the automatical flow. Automatically, it will be generating the business flow, automation flow. Okay, how system can understand whenever I requested something or I need something, then who will approve it for me? Because this guy is on a leave, who will approve it? Okay, underscore requirement. Okay, requirement is something like this. Okay, Abil tutor is on leave for 7 days. He needs someone to be delegated. This is what the requirement, which comes for admin, system admin. I mean, admin, ServiceNow admin people got this kind of requirement. Who has requested? This guy has requested. This guy told to system admin, I am on the leave. Okay, I need someone to be represented me for anything, any responsibility, either it is good or bad. Then as a system admin, what you do? Okay, apart from Abil tutor, I need someone to be represented. Okay, there are other people also where they will be acting as a responsible person in leave of Abil tutor. Okay, if I say in general way, why call forwarding is required? No? When we call someone, if some the number is not available, the particular call will be forwarded to someone. Why it is required? Let's say you are trying to reach someone. If the number is not available, sometimes the call will be forwarded to someone, to other number in the backend, automatically. In the similar way, whatever the works which is coming to this guy, okay, in the back end, this guy related works will be going to somewhere, some other manager who is having the same accesses to the system, who is having the same position of manager. But we can't come here, we can't change the manager of this group for 7 days. It is not the best practice. Correct? So that is why we will be having the option called delegate. Okay. Let's see. Let's go to the delegate. Let's see. Okay. Let's go to the users under user administration. Okay. Under the user administration, let's go to the users. Who is that guy? Abel Tutara. This guy. Go to his account or user list, and you come down, you will be seeing one of the option called delegates. Okay. Abil tutor requested us to delegate someone with same role or same position, for example. Then as a system admin, this is my work as ServiceNow admin. Then I will come here, I will go to user account, then I will go to related list called one of the section delegates. and I will say new. Okay. Then user is the able tutor, but who is representing able tutor for 7 days? Hmm? Who is representing the 7 days? So select the guy because system admin can be notified. Abraham Lincoln is the represent person for able tutor. This is clear. These two parts. Whenever this guy is on leave, automatically he is the responsible person, Abraham Lincoln. But what are all the dates? What are all the dates? Let's say from today, from now onwards, from 27 to, okay, from next month, same 9th. Sorry, it is Jana. Oh, next one. 25, 4th, and 9th. Till this time, he is the responsible person. For what he is the responsible person? For what he is the responsible person? For approval, for assignments,
Approvals.
for all notification, for meeting invitations. So right side part is action. Left side part is the dates and delegate side. Okay. Able tutor is manager. Okay. He is group member X. Okay. Needs something. X needs one laptop. Then automatically now where the request goes, when I have requested something, X needs the laptop, he's requested it. Now you tell me where the request goes to Abil Tutor or Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham.
So if you check this box, automatically it will go to that particular user, this user. Then this user will approve in between these times. The time frame will select. Whatever assignments or notifications or meeting invitation, everything he is the representing guy. He is the guy for representing Abil Tutor. Everything, it is good or bad, everything is the represented guy. Fine. Any questions?
So, Nani, see something auto reply or something notifications similar functionality.
Everything.
Okay.
He is the responsible person. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
But our job
Okay.
is here. See, as a system
Yeah.
admin guy job, this is your job. You will get the request something like this. Okay. Abil tutor
Yeah.
is on leave, let's say, for 7 days. He needs someone. Who is someone? Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln with delegate. Okay.
Yes. This requirement
Okay.
will come. Then what is your job as a system admin or a ServiceNow admin? You will go to the user and
And then
under the
the
related
delegate.
list, you will go there,
Yeah.
one of the section called delegates, and here you
Delegate.
will be adding these parts. That's it.
Okay. Thanks.
Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the small topic that I wanted to be covered. Delegate. Okay. So whenever you are trying to be explained into the interviews, make sure you don't say directly the definitions. First point. The practical people who are worked on this particular technology, they don't tell directly definitions. If
Okay.
you tell the definitions directly, they will tell you learn somewhere. So
Yeah.
take one of the requirement and tell the situation, then explain it. Any topic. Don't tell directly. Delegate is represented someone. You take an example. You tell them the each situation where you had implemented this topic. That makes sense. Fine.
Sure, man. Thank you.
1 minute.
Nani, bro.
Yes, please.
Bro, here the person who is added as a delegate, the Abraham Lincoln, if in case of emergency, if he is also not available, he can add another person as a delegate to the able tutor tasks.
See, this is the planned task, not for
No, in case of
unfortunate
emergency.
terms. Yes, in case of emergency, maybe he will be delegating someone. But we never faced from this guy to this guy to some other. We need to check it. But it is kind of planned things, planned leaves or someone, wherever having the situation. But whenever this kind of requirement comes, you need to do it.
Okay.
The back end, this communication is not not our scope. Who is responsible and all. But this kind of requirement comes, this is your job based on understanding. That's it.